a newbie. Who knows?
My vlog doesn't know none of y'all, so y'all gotta introduce.
My name is Pablo. Nice to meet you.
And my name is Colton. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Wait. My name is Hakeem.
The dick lover, bro. Remember
Subscribe
that.
to the channel. You already know.
Remember that. The dick lover.
Subscribe to Lucho Capture. Subscribe to Lucho Capture. Subscribe right now. Hey. Quality content. Quality content.
New purchases, man. Yeah, we just got a battery and this SD card. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, guys, I'm excited for this one. We got the new, or not new, but kind of new 6700. I traded in my 6400 and bought the difference. But I'm just gonna do an unboxing. Wow, I'm excited. This is exciting. This is exciting. First thing, little strap, eyepiece. New camera, man. Look at this. This is gonna be so nice. Vlogging is just gonna be easier. Oh my god, this is nice. So my plan is I'm gonna get some clips with this and we're gonna compare it with other ones I have from the 6400. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We'll see what we're gonna do today with this.
Oh, shit, wait, looky. Colin. Bro, what'd you think? You got a crazy deal.
Oh, it was a good deal, huh? I had to, bro. I feel like it was the right move, you know?
It was the timing too, bro. He literally said, this is like the second time you came in or third time, and it's been a sale every time.
I know, bro. Every time I've gone to Kenmore Camera, also Kenmore Camera, best camera store for real, my opinion. Every time I take my friends too, they hella like it.
Yeah.
I'm a bot right now, bro.
You got
it is that way, yeah. See, that's what I was doing. Okay,
you need to
little
figure that
latch,
out.
little latch, bro. Look, new, it's new, bro.
We do gotta figure out where the fuck
Dude,
to
look,
go.
this is okay. No, actually, Loki got a crazy deal because I know these are like $80. Like
he said they were 80
They
bucks.
were $80, right? Look how much that SD card is. $50. So Loki, bro, we definitely got a deal in a half.
That's why he took off the jacket. Why? So the shoes can match the fit. That's why he took off the jacket.
One thing,
black and red.
shout out Khalil for showing me that you could get these red shoes right here. If I didn't know that, hey, the fit wouldn't have been matching. Dude, why you always want to be different, bro?
Bro, why live on earth to be like everybody else, bro? Come on.
Bro, yeah, put the shoes on, bro.
Put the shoes on, bro.
Oh!
Hey, it's warm-ups. It's warm-ups.
Alright, chat, let me know. Is this the best bowling fit you guys have ever seen? Let me know.
Watch out.
Best bowling fit you've ever seen.
Dog, you already know.
What's going on? What's going on?
Alright, chill out. I don't know what he's trying to pray. He said I gave him a look.
Nah.
I didn't give him a look.
It's my fault, bro. It's cool. But then he looked at me like, I was like, bro, what's up? Like, yeah, cool, bro.
Alright, let's see the YouTuber take a shot. Let's see the YouTuber take a shot.
Wait, it's dripping.
Pretty locked in.
Third band, it's only two. And the crowd goes wild.
unfortunate rule. Baylor, what are you at, dude? Let's see, dude. What are you at? 39. It ain't looking too good. Come on, dude.
Last place.
Peek the shoe game. Peek the shoe game.
Yeah, they custom.
Damn.
It's my rating at a
Hey,
10.
you got it like that?
Like that.
Is that?
Sponsored by Nike. Don't play, don't play, don't play.
You're gonna be my cameraman when I get famous.
When you get famous, I will be your cameraman.
You hear that?
Hey, I heard it.
You
I
heard
heard
that.
it. I heard it. Cool.
Alright.
I can't do that.
Well, all those cameraman skills. Last video, what do you think?
Last video? Nah.
So I gotta hire a new one.
Yeah, you gotta get a new one. You gotta get a new one.
Yeah, I gotta get a new one.
Hey, shout out Aldo though.
Yeah, shout out Aldo though.
Shout out
Aldo though. You know?
Hey, but I already told him, so it's not really talking smack about him because I told him to his face.
Yeah,
you know?
facts.
You were there.
I was there.
So it's cool.
Yo, hey, you told me that one. You told me the arrow string.
Let's go. Let's go.
Bro, why are you recording me when I'm checking myself out? Hey, all of a sudden, people get good, you know, people are around. Yeah.
She my prettiest problem, I hate that she know she the shit. Fuck. She want bundles, I bought her like 6. But big black truck for the whip. Like a bomber, I'm coming road trip. She got an ocean within. If I shoot my shot, I don't aim for the rim. Get on top of the cockpit. Throw a party, it look like a monster.
Alright, let's take a sip. Currently it is 9:45 on a Thursday. I just gotta talk about this camera. Man, am I impressed by this camera. Like, I had a pretty decent camera already, but this camera is just, I look at it and I'm like, bro, am I like recording a movie or something? Like, this thing's kind of crazy. Shout out Camera, man. Like, I got a crazy deal for this camera, and I just had to pull the trigger. I felt like it was just meant to be, you know? I came in on a day, there was like sales and stuff, so I was like, I gotta do this right now. I have to do it. So I did, and that was one of the best things I've ever purchased, to be honest. But enough of that. The camera was great. You guys saw, I would say the quality was better indoor when the dark compared to the other one. Maybe it's like lenses and all that too that affects it, but indoor with the lens I was using in the video, it only goes down to 4 f-stop, so like it's pretty high for dark situations. I think it did a pretty good job, honestly. I really just want to talk about one thing in this video, and that is this IG or Instagram post that I posted, and I'll put it up on the screen. But there's this thing that I've been doing and I said I was gonna do, and it was the 3 months of the gym and trying to get lean or whatever, right? And I realized recording gym videos and stuff like that was not my thing, so I'm honestly not gonna do it. I'm honestly not motivated to do it. I was at first. I thought it was pretty cool, but I'm not saying I won't ever do gym videos again, but it's just, for some reason it made me like unmotivated just doing the videos, so I'm just not gonna do it. I don't think it's my style. I don't think it's something I want to like continue to do. Kind of going for a different style of videography, I guess. But I'm not saying, I think people that like the gym and are really into the gym, do it, bro, because honestly, like, gym content, I like watch Sam Sulek myself and stuff like that, so it's like, I think it's pretty cool, you know? Just wasn't for me. So that series didn't last too long. But I really been getting into, like, I really have always been into it, but like clothes, stuff like that. So you'll see a lot more like clothes stuff. I feel like that's just more my style, you know? And then like just putting on an outfit and just trying to make it the best they can with like cinematic videos. You know the deal. There's a couple of videos out there like that. But yeah, man, other than that, I want to give a huge shout out to all the people in the video. Let's talk a little bit more about the IG post. I put that, really, let me read it to you guys. So I put, people tend to ask me what I do with my camera or what it is I do, and I ask myself, what really am I? What am I doing? I hate the idea of saying I'm a videographer. It just sounds weird because I feel like I haven't mastered my art yet, but really I just want to show people that you are able to do things others might be scared of. So from now on, I'm going to post anything and everything I've noticed. If it is the lifestyle you want to live, you can't be scared and you have to be out there. And this is like a really hard, not topic, but like thing for people to do, especially like me too. I'm not even saying like sometimes I go out and I'm like, do I really want to do this, or do I really want to like look like this out in public? But sometimes it's just like this lifestyle, you have to do that. There's a lot of competition out there, but for me, I don't really see it as like competition, I guess. I'd rather, like, how do I say this? I'd rather like make a video with the competition, you know, or like collab with the competition or stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Get ideas off of each other. But I said in the caption something about failure, and I'm gonna show you guys how a lot of videos can fail, and failure for me is just like, it's good, you know. Like a lot of my videos probably aren't gonna hit, like maybe this one, right? But like that's not gonna stop me from like doing better or making more videos, right? And I'm pretty sure everyone else has that like mentality, whoever makes videos and stuff. But that's enough said about that. But you guys just tune into the IG and you'll see more about that kind of stuff, you know. But overall, this video was really about the camera. I just wanted to show you guys or tell you guys a little bit about that because I thought it was pretty important. This camera overall right now, so far, 10 out of 10 right now, honestly. At first I was gonna go with the A7C because it's full frame, and the 6700 is not full frame. But the guy was telling me I don't really need like full frame for like videography right now, at least for like what I'm doing. And it kind of made sense, honestly. I guess it just depends what you like or what you want. But great camera overall so far. I got a couple videos coming up, and I have some ideas I feel like if you guys are into fashion or clothes, you will like. I got a bunch of clothes that I just got in Seattle, and that was a fun time. If you guys haven't seen that video, I just dropped not too long ago, so go check that out. But yeah, man, I hope you guys have a good day, a good night whenever you guys are watching this. And just know there's more coming, bro. I'm cooking, and I'm locked in. I'm gonna lock in. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
It's not a way you can run out of options. Like, let's take a trip to the tropics. Put some bread on my back, then I give her